Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to use check-ins in your iPhone. First of all, to use this feature, make sure your iOS is up to date. To check if your iOS is up to date or not, go to your settings app, then scroll a bit down. After that, tap on general, then tap on software update. Then make sure you're running the latest firmware. If you see any update button on this page, tap on update, and once you install the update, go back to your home screen. Now, once you're running iOS 17, open your messaging app, then select a friend. Once you select a friend, tap on this plus icon at bottom left corner, then tap on more. Once you tap on it, you'll get this option check-in. Tap on it. Now tap on continue. Again tap on continue. Then it will ask you if you'd like to share if you don't arrive. If you want the person to know limited data, then tap on limited. And if you want to give the person full access, tap on the full option. Once you do that, tap on continue. After that, tap on send a check-in. Then as you can see, it says cellular data required. To turn on your cellular data, go to your control center. Then tap on this icon. Once you do that, go back to your messaging app. Then tap on this send button. Once you do that, you'll be able to use your check-ins on iPhone. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.